How to check for account restrictions on Facebook. Method 1. Check profile status. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone, tap on your profile picture and go to your profile. Tap the three dot icon, usually top right on the cover photo or next to your name. Look for profile status or account status. Tap on it. Here you will see green check mark equal no restrictions and your account looks good. Red warning or line through icon or message like your account has restrictions equal you have limits. For example, can't post publicly, limited messaging, etc. Details about duration. For example, restriction ends in within that days or something like that. For example, X days if temporary. This is the fastest official way to see if you are restricted. Method 2. Look for notifications or support inbox. Facebook almost always notifies you about restrictions via in-app notifications. Scroll for messages like your account is restricted or will limit some features, something like that. And we can check support inbox. Tap the three lines menu, scroll a bit, tap help and support. Tap support inbox or see support inbox. Here you will find updates about content removed, account restrictions or strikes, how long the limit lasts, and appeal options. Also check your email inbox including spam folder for messages from facebookmail.com or something like that with subject lines like your account has restrictions or action required. Method 3. Test for common restriction signs. If nothing shows but you suspect limits, try posting something public. If it fails or says limited audience, restriction likely. Send friend request, sudden block on sending money equal common restriction. Comment and post if blocked or hidden, possible limit. Ask a friend, can you see my recent post? If no, you might be restricted from them. That's it. Now you know exactly how to check for Facebook account restrictions. If this video helped you figure out what's going on, smash that like button and subscribe for more current Facebook guides and fixes.